Today, let's take a tour of the Contemporary Resort at Walt Disney World. The Contemporary is a deluxe resort in the Magic Kingdom area of Walt Disney World. It's an A-frame building with retro modern theming with a garden wing section that is separate from the main building. This resort is conveniently located right next to Magic Kingdom and is one of the Monorail resorts along with the Polynesian and Grand Floridian resorts, all of which surround the waters of Bay Lake. As you enter the Contemporary Resort on the lowest level, you'll find the front desk as well as bell services. You will also find Steakhouse 71, a casual steakhouse which is named after the year the Contemporary opened, and coffee and pastries near the entrance. Outside of those dining options, you can head up to the 4th floor to find a few more, including Outer Rim, which is a lounge space, Contempo Cafe, which is the quick service location here with mobile ordering available, and Chef Mickey's, a popular character meal available for breakfast and dinner. And then at the top of Contemporary Resort, there is California Grill, one of our top picks due to the food service and amazing views. Let's take a look at what the rooms look like inside here. Most of the rooms here have 2 queen beds and a day bed and have been recently rethemed in tasteful Incredibles decor. The rooms are large with plenty of storage in the space, 2 sinks in the bathroom with a door that separates the sink and toilet space. Outside of the queen bedrooms, there's also a room option with a king bed and a limited number of suites available. Although the standard layout rooms are located in both the main tower and the garden wing section, the garden wing rooms are less expensive and might be a little bit more convenient for those with their own cars who want to park a little bit closer to their room. The room views you can book vary between the tower and garden wing, with the main tower having lake view and theme park views, and the garden wing having standard and garden views. Guests staying here can also book the club level option, which gives you access to the club level lounge, concierge desk, turn down service, and a few other perks. People staying at the Contemporary Resort will find several things to keep them busy, including the feature pool, which is a heated pool with white sand beaches, marina views, and a 17-foot high water slide. You can also rent a poolside cabana by the hour or day. There is a leisure pool, which is for all ages. Loud noises and splashing are gently discouraged here. The pool area also has a second hot tub by the water slide and a seasonal poolside bar. There are other recreational options available here, including the very large arcade, which is located on the 4th floor in the main tower, fishing, tennis, jogging trails, nightly campfires, nightly movies, etc. You'll find more details about all of that on the resort's recreational schedule. Let's chat transportation, which is a fun one, especially if you plan to spend lots of time at Magic Kingdom. Guests at the Contemporary have their own walkway with security to Magic Kingdom, which is a huge convenience given how difficult Magic Kingdom can be to get to. The monorail is also an option for getting to Magic Kingdom as well as to the other Magic Kingdom area resorts. You can also take the monorail to the Transportation Ticket Center and then hop on the monorail to Epcot. Outside of Magic Kingdom and Epcot, buses are available to other destinations but are sometimes shared with nearby resorts. People with their own cars can self-park for $25 a night, and valet is available for $33. As for our thoughts on this resort, we love that you can walk to Magic Kingdom from here, and there is also easy access to getting to the other monorail resorts. There are views of Magic Kingdom fireworks from the Contemporary. You can watch the electrical water pageant from here. The rooms are large in size and are tastefully themed to the Incredibles. On the downside, the pool isn't anything special. Some people find the theming a bit sterile. The bus transportation is often shared with other hotels, and it can be noisy with the crowds at Chef Mickey's. With easy access to Magic Kingdom, ability to roll a stroller on the monorail, a popular on-site character meal, and the ability to watch fireworks from the convenience of your room, this resort has a lot to offer a lot of people, but especially families with little ones who have a deluxe resort in their budget.